Atlantic giant pumpkinator has decided he wants in. So let's put him in. Lovely root. I'll just find some compost to put around that. I'm gonna need some more. Almost there. Try and keep it like a mounded up. Plenty of liquid in the compost, so in the manure heap. It's not dry at all, only the top inch or so. So this should be okay. Oops. If there's any danger of it being too cold, I can easily cloche this. French beans are next to go out. Let's start on them. So here we go with the French beans. What I normally do is plant 2 plants per cane, one either side of the cane. I always put them on the inside of the canes, so that there's no sort of kicking and breaking the stems or anything. But I haven't got enough plants to go around. They didn't all germinate. So what I'm going to do is put 2 plants on each corner cane, and then do a single plant on the other canes, but drop another seed in. So I'm going to do that now. Come out nice and easily. This one doesn't want to. Nice. That one down too deep. Lean in a bit. Because I haven't got the right amount. What I should do is count them up. See, this one. I'll bring you back when I'm finished. Well, that's them all in. That's them all in there now. I'm in and watered. Some have 2 per cane. Some have just the one with the seed next to it. They are Cos Violet, so they're a purple bean. When this grows, it'll go right to the top of here and be just a jungle up there. And it's hard to see the beans amongst all the other green, if the beans are green. So that's why I choose a purple one. Anyway, let's hope they do as well as last year. Brassica cage today. I'm going to try and get some brassicas in here. I'm trying to just use this side of the brassica cage, and when this side is empty and it's the back end, I'm going to move the whole cage over to where the onions are, but this bed will still be part of it, so that's why I'm putting them in here. I normally just stake these with line pins later on. Even though I've got clubroot in here, these are clubroot resistant variety. These are Crispus. And last year, with the same variety, I had some good Brussels sprouts. I always leave the label here, but get swamped and you never see what it is anyway. But stop it here and come back when I finish planting. So I've got 3 of the cauliflower Clapton on the end here. I also planted a sacrificial nasturtium. I think these are Clapton, yeah, Clapton actually, but they were ahead of these ones, shown them earlier. But I did manage to get the other 6 in here, right by them. And then the Crispus Brussels sprouts, all 6 of them in there. So I need to get this closed up because there are cabbage whites about.